Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve a question that is reverse a singly linked list. It is a very famous question, and before moving on to the question, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing because we are going to solve a lot of interview questions, and I think that can definitely help you with your interview. So let's start. Let's take a linked list. Suppose we are given with a linked list that is 4, 2 and 3, and the head points to 4 and 3 will gonna be the, you can say it, tail, and next of 3 is none. So the question is we have to reverse it. So that means we have to make it like this. Or you can say we have to change the pointers and make the next of 4 equal to none. So it is a 5-step process and it's really easy. So let's write down the steps. First of all, we need 3 pointers that are previous, current and next. Previous will gonna take care of the previous to the current node, current will gonna be the current node, and next will be the next of the current node. So the steps are: set previous as none, current as head, and for now we can take next as none, but while looping through we will gonna make next as a next node of current. So second step, we will gonna iterate through the linked list until current is none. So iterate until current is none. Third step is, during each iteration we need to set next node of current to previous. Set next node of current to previous. Fourth step is, then set previous to the current and current to the next and next to the next of the next node. So set previous as current, current as next, and next as its next, means next of next. And at the end, when the current became none, we have to set the head pointer to the previous node. So let's see it with the example how we can do it. So let's here is the linked list. Here is the previous, current, and next, and here is the after reversal. So first of all we have linked it like this: 4, 2 and 3, and here is none, and maybe write down it with another color. Here is none, and here is head. So we need to, what it says, we need to set current as head. So current will gonna be 4, and next will gonna be 2, and previous is none in the starting. And if we say after reversal, how it will gonna be look like, it will gonna be look like 4, 2, 3, and none will gonna be here. In the next step, none is here, 4, 2 and 3. So now previous is 4, current is 2, and next is 3. So here it will gonna look like this way, and none will gonna be here. So let me tell you what we are doing here. So it was like this: 4, 3, 2, and then 1 here. So if we need to make this pointer came here to the none, we need to make it this way. But suppose if we make it none over here, we will lose the pointer to the next node. So that's why first we make next here. Also, so it was 2 and it was 3. It was 3. So that's why we make next here, and we change the pointer and none is here. But now the problem is how we will gonna find the previous of next. So that's why now we are setting 4 as previous, 2 as current, and 3 as next. So if you are not getting here, we will gonna write the code, and I'm pretty sure that you will gonna get over there. So let me erase it and let me show you the whole step. So now 4, 2, 3. Now 2 is the previous, 3 is the current, and here is nothing. So how it will gonna look like? It start looking like this. And now previous goes to 3, current is blank, next blank, and what we need to do at last, we need to head pointer to the previous node. So 4, 2, 3, and we're gonna make the head over here. These are here, none, none, and none. I hope you guys understand, but let's see with an example. So let's take it again over here. 4, 2, 3, and none. So first what we are doing, we are setting 2 as next, because once we will change this point over here, we will lose our reference to move in this direction. So first we change it here, we made the next, then we made pointer over here, then again we will gonna, so like this is previous, this is current, this is next. So first we make the next as current dot next, and then we made this pointer current dot next as in previous. Now when we need to point this pointer over here, we need a reference to this pointer. So we will gonna shift all of these 3 in the forward direction, and we will gonna make current as previous, is previous equal to current, and then in the next step we will gonna do current to the next, and this step will keep on going until current will not become none, and at the end we will set self.head equal to previous, and we will return either previous or we can return head. So it will gonna change our linked list, and it will return us as in this way, 3 pointing to 2, pointing to 4, and pointing to none. So let's dive into the code. So let's write the code. So as we said, set previous as none, current as head, and next as none for now, while current is not none, we will gonna put next as next of current, and we will put current dot next as previous, because we are pointing current's pointer to the none, which was initially none. So here what we are doing is we are pointing current pointers to the previous, which is none. So this is how we will gonna make the next node of current will be none. So now again we will point the previous to the current. So like we are again making now the value which is current now will gonna be the previous. Like suppose for here, like it was it is current, and now we are pointing here, like suppose in place of input it's none. So like this is what we done here in this step. Now we are setting one as previous, because earlier it was current. Now it, after this step, it will gonna be previous, and then again we will move current to the next, and we can simply return the previous, or if you like, let me show you. So we can return previous. So let's run the code. So perfect. So this is 55, or either we can do like we set head to the previous, and then we will return the head. So in the both ways, like it will gonna be the same answer. And again here. So in this, like some steps make us faster than others. So here is the answer. I hope you understand, and please, if you have any suggestion for us, please leave us in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe.